Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. আজি আমি ইয়াতে Apdcl Assistant Account Officer Statistics পেপাৰখনৰ কোৱেশ্চনখিনি ডিসকাস কৰিম। সো আপোনালোকে ভিডিওটো হেকলৈকে চাব। আমি এতিয়া ভিডিওটো আৰম্ভ কৰিছো। Question number 1. The probability of type 1 error is referred as option 1, option A 1 minus alpha, option B alpha, option C beta, and option D 1 minus beta. It option B correct hobo alpha. Question number 2. Alternative hypothesis is also called as option 1 composite hypothesis, option 2 research hypothesis, option 3 simple hypothesis, and option 4 null hypothesis. Yate option 2 to correct hobo research hypothesis. Question number 3. Type 1 error occurs when option A we reject S not if it is true, option B we reject S not if it is false, option C we accept S not if it is true, and option 4 we accept S not if it is false. It option A to correct hobo we reject S not if it is true. Question number 4. What is the assumption made for performing the hypothesis test with t-distribution? Option 1 the distribution is non-symmetric, option 2 the distribution has more than one model classes, option 3 the distribution has a constant variance, option 4 the distribution follows a normal distribution. It option 4 to correct hobo the distributions follows a normal distribution. Question number 5. The test statistic for a hypothesis testings is given by the formula. Option 1 simple minus populations by standard error, option 2 sample statistics minus parameters by standard error, option 3 sample mean minus population mean by population standard deviation, option 4 statistics minus E statistics by variance. Option 2 to correct hobo sample statistics minus parameters by standard error. Question number 6. A t-test sample has 7 pairs of sample. The distribution should contain option 1 16 degree of freedom, option 2 15 degrees of freedom, option 3 5 degree of freedom, option 4 6 degrees of freedom. It option 4 to correct hobo 6 degrees of freedom. Question number 7. Which of the following statement is correct? Option 1 systematic sample is superior than stratified sample, option 2 simple random sample is inferior than systematic sample, option 3 stratified sample is superior than systematic sample, option 4 systematic sample is inferior than stratified sample. The option 1 to correct hobo systematic sample is superior than stratified sample. Question number 8. What is the mean of a size square distributions with 6 degree of freedom? The option 0 to correct hobo 6. Question number 9. Which of the following distributions is used to compare two variance? Option 1 t distribution, option 2 f distribution, option C option 3 normal distribution, and option 4 Poisson distribution. Here option 2 to correct hobo F distribution. Question number 10. In a normal distribution, the highest value of a ordinate occurs at option 1 mean, option 2 variance, option 3 extremes, option 4 same value occur at all points. The option 1 to correct hobo means. Question number 11. Skewness of normal distribution is option 1 negative, option 2 positive, option 3 0, and option 4 undefined. The option 0 correct hobo 0. Question number 12. Variance of a constant A is option A 0, option B A, option C A by 2, option D 1. The option A to correct hobo 0. Question 13. A population contains capital N items, out of which N items are selected with replacement. Find the probability of the sample being selected. Option D to correct hobo 1 by n to the power n. Question number 14. A sample was from consisting of 8 students from a total of 56 students for certain tasks. Find the sampling fraction of the populations of students. Option 1 1 by 7, option B 7, option C 49, and option D 1 by 49. It's option A to correct hobo 1 by 7. Question number 15. If the distributions of sample and population change, then the mean of sampling distributions must be equal to option 1 standard deviations of population, option 2 variance of population, option 3 sample of population, and option 4 mean of population. At option 4 to correct hobo mean of population. Question number 16. In the regression equation y equal to 21 minus 3x, then the slope is option A 21, option B 3, option C minus 21, and option D minus 3. The option D to correct hobo the slope is equal to minus 3. Question number 17. If R is the sample correlation coefficient, then the quantity 1 dot R up to R2 is known as option A coefficient of determination, option B coefficient of non-determination, option 3 coefficient of alienation, and option D multiple correlation. Yete option B to correct hobo coefficient of non-determination. Question number 18. For perfect correlation, the coefficient of correlation should be option A plus minus 1, option B plus 1, option C minus 1, and option D 0. It's option A to correct hobo plus minus 1. Question number 19. If all the dots of a scatter diagram lie on a straight line hailing from left bottom corner to right upper corner, then correlation is called option 1 0 correlation, option 2 high degree of positive correlation, option 3 perfect negative correlation, and option 4 perfect positive correlation. এটা option 4 to correct হবো, perfect positive correlation. Question number 20. If r equal to 0.8, coefficient of determination is option A 80%, option B 8%, option C 64%, and option D 0.8%. ইয়াতে option C to correct হবো 64%. Question number 21. Find the number of ways of arranging the letters of the word danger so that no pile occupied odd place. এটা option D to correct হবো 144. Question number 22. If 40% of boys obtain for match and 60% of girls opted for match, then what is the probability that match is chosen if half of the class's population is girls? Option A 0.5, option B 0.6, option C 0.7, and option 4 6.4. Sorry, 0.4. The option A to correct হবো 0.5. Question number 23. If hair coins is tosses thrice, what is the probability of getting all three same outcomes? Option A 3/4, option B 1/4, option C 1/2, and option D 1/6. The option B to correct হবো 1/4. Question number 24. X is a variate between 0 and 3, then the value of expectation x square is option A 8, option B 7, option C 27, and option D 9. The option D to correct হবো 9. Question number 25. Which of the following is not a measures of variability? Option 1 আছে median, option 2 variance, option 3 standard deviation, and option 4 range. এটা option 1 to correct হবো median. Question number 26. If a test was generally very easy except for a few students who had very low score, then the distributions of scores would be option 1 positively skewed, option 2 negatively skewed, option 3 not skewed at all, and option 4 normal. এটা option B to correct হবো negatively skewed. Question number 27. Tests are used when we want to visually examine the relationships between two quantitative variables. Option 1 আছে bar graph, option 2 আছে pie graphs, option 3 আছে line graphs, option 4 আছে scatter plots. Option 4 to correct হবো scatter plots. Question number 28. What is the median of the following set of the scores? 18, 6, 12, 10 and 10, 14. Question mark. Option 8, 10 আছে, option B 14, option C 18 and option D 12. এটা option D টো কারেক্ট হ'ব 12. Question number 29. In a distributions of 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, the mean is 30. The sum of deviation from means will be option A 1, 60, option 2 30, option 3 0 and option 4 15. The option 3 to correct হবো 0. Question number 30. Which of the given measures are based on every items of the series? Option 1 আছে range, option 2 standard deviation, option 3 quartiles deviation, option 4 percentile. Option 2 to correct হবো standard deviation. Question number 31. A contractor employs 20 male, 15 female and 5 children in his factory. Male wages are rupees 10 per day, female rupees 8 per day and children 3 rupees per day. The weighted of wage paid per day will be option 1 3.6 rupees, option 2 8.3 rupees, option 3 9.4 rupees and option 4 10.5 rupees. ইয়াতে option 2 to correct হবো rupees 8.3. Question number 32. Coefficient of variation of the team A is 12% and coefficient of variations of the team B is 34%. Which team is less consistent? Option A team A, option B team B, option C both and option D neither A or B, not B. Option B to correct হবো team B. Question number 33. With the change in origin, the value of B in a linear trend y equal to A plus B x is option A also change, option B remain the same, option C is always positive, option D is always negative. The option B to correct হবো remains the same. Question number 34. The component useful for a long term forecasting is option 1 trend, option 2 seasonal, option 3 cyclical, option 4 irregular. It's option A to correct হবো trend. Question number 35. The best method for calculating seasonal variations is option 1 ratio to simple average, option 2 ratio to trend, option 3 ratio to moving average, option 4 linear trend. Is option 3 to correct হবো ratio to moving average. Question number 36. If the origin is shifted to the year 2004 from 1999, yt equal to 217 plus twice x value will be option A 227, option B 229, option C 292 and option D 225. The option A to correct হবো 227. Question number 37. When the trend is of exponential types, the moving averages are to be computed by using option 1 arithmetic mean, option 2 geometric mean, option 3 harmonic mean, and option 4 weighted mean. এটা option 2 to correct হবো geometric mean. Question number 38. Which is the simplest and most widely used non-parametric test? Option 1 sign test, option 2 AS test, option 3 chi-square test, and option 4 Wilcoxon Metz pair test. The option 3 correct হবো chi-square test. Question number 39. Chi-square variates is the square of option A T variate, option B F variate, option C beta variate, option D standard normal variates. The option D to correct হবো standard normal variate. Question number 40. Sign test is a test for question option 1 symmetry, option 2 randomness, option 3 correlation, option 4 association. The option A to correct হবো symmetry. Question number 41. A type 2 errors is also known as false positive, option 2 false negative, option 3 double negative, and option 4 positive negative. এতে option 2 to correct হবো false negative. Question number 42. If an estimator Tn of population's parameter theta converts in probability to theta as n tends to infinity, then Tn is said to be unbiased, option B efficient, option C consistence, and option 4 sufficient. এটা option C to correct হবো consistence. Question number 43. Put rate of natural increase is equal to option A to correct হবো sorry 1 to correct হবো CBR CDR. Question number 44. Population PT at any times with option C to correct হবো P naught plus B minus D plus I minus E. Question number 45. Which one of the following is correct? Question number 46. Which method is not suitable for comparing the mortality into place or same place into period? The option 1 আছে CBR, option 2 আছে CDR, option 3 আছে STDR, and option 4 আছে ASFR. এতে option 2 to correct হবো CDR. Question number 47. Testings of hypothesis is not mu equal to 65 BS S1 mu not equal to 65 is a dash test one-sided left trial test, option B one-sided right tail test, option C two টেলটেড টেস্ট অপশন ডি অ্যাপ টেস্ট এতে অপশন সি টু কারেক্ট হবো question number 48 incomplete three-way classified data is the data for option 1 CDR option B A2 RBD option 3 LSD option 4 IBD এটা অপশন যেটা রাইট হবে LSD question number 49 local control not used in option 1 RBD option 2 LSD option 3 CRD option 4 research design option 3 to correct হবে CRD question number 50 error in RBD option 1 t minus 1 into r minus 1 option B n minus t option C m minus 1 into m minus 2 and option D t minus 1 into t minus 1 into r minus 1 minus 1 এতে অপশন A টু কারেক্ট হবে t minus 1 into r minus 1 কুৱেশ্যন নম্বৰ 50 লৈকে ষ্টেটিষ্টিক্স কোৰ পেপাৰৰ কুৱেশ্যন আছিল যদি ভিডিওটো ভাল লাগে লাইক কৰিব থ্যাংক ইউ সো মাচ ফৰ ওয়াচিং